incredible just to watch early morning. Hey, good morning guys. How you guys doing? I'm in a dream state right now. Just woke up from a dream to another dream, and today I want to talk about the death in the ocean waves. The death in the ocean waves means that death of ego, death of identity, death of myself, and being nothing. That's one death state I experienced just watching these waves early in the morning, just staring into it, listening to the sound. It just woke me up to the depth of my ego. And there's another death I'm talking about, and this might sound crazy. The death itself, the beauty of death itself. This happened to me when I took psychedelic mushrooms. There is another matrix or another universe that exists, or another dimension that exists that's calling me. It might be sounding crazy. I just felt the same experience watching these waves. It's not only the death of ego, it's also death of me on the whole, just nothingness. And I can travel to any space or any matrix that I want to. And these waves were just inviting me for that, and just made my ego and made my death come alive. It just made me understand that nothing belongs to me, and it's just the experience of death is beautiful. That's what, the death from ego, and also death coming out of this body. It might sound crazy, but as I went deeper into this waves early morning right here, it looks like I'm in a different world, man. It's just different. Nobody around. Early morning. Early mornings, the energy is high, and you have this visions, and it's just amazing how it is, and it's just awesome. It's just awesome. It's just amazing how the beauty of this nature is. It's crazy. This is what I want to talk today. Death, experiencing death by listening and just watching these waves. The waves just move. It just comes by. It just does its thing. You don't know what it is. It's just coming, making its sound. It's doing its thing. And once you keep on watching this, once you become alive, nothingness comes into play. And it's just death of ego, death of everything. I go into this nothingness state, man. Makes me blank. Wow. It's just a paradise. It's from one dream to another dream. Hey, this is why you need to wake up early in the morning, experience the beauty, even when it's cloudy, So, this is what I experienced today. Death of myself, death of my ego, just watching the waves of the ocean and hearing the sound. It makes your senses come alive, and you come alive, and there's a death to your ego. Probably for a few minutes or a few seconds, but you experience it. You experience the death of yourself. And that's what I want to say. When you come to the beach, just look at it as if You don't know nothing about it. Actually, you don't know anything about this. You know, it just comes by, goes by, comes by, goes by. This wave just comes by and goes by. And you don't know. And that's the beauty of this existence, just presenting this beautiful nature to me today. I cannot ask for more. This is the beauty that's been presented today by the existence, and this is the heaven. And I cannot ask more. I cannot ask even more, man. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Death of myself experiencing for a few seconds or a few minutes, but just watching these waves come by. And that's what I want to say today. Hopefully you guys have a good day. And hopefully you learn something from it, and some people are getting it. And when you come to the ocean, just watch it as if you don't know. And you'll feel the amazingness. You'll feel the death of your ego. You'll become nothing. You don't know, and you don't know yourself. And you kind of be awake. Hopefully this video helps you. Thank you, and have a blessed day.